Can't find the download button on Wikipedia? Save any article as a PDF in under 30 seconds. Here's the quick process. Search for your article, select it, locate the download option, and start the download. Start by typing your article's name into the search bar at the top of Wikipedia. Then, from the search results that appear, go ahead and click on the correct article to open it. Now scroll down to the left sidebar on the article page and click on Download as PDF. Finally, click the Download button to save the PDF to your computer. Enjoy your offline copy. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.